Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll show you how to remove shared mailbox from Outlook so you can easily clean up extra mailboxes you no longer need. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, open Outlook on your computer. This is the email application where all your accounts and shared mailboxes are managed, and it must be open to make any account-related changes. Step 2. Click File in the top left corner of the Outlook window, then select Account Settings and click Account Settings again. This area lets you control how your email accounts and mailboxes are connected. Step 3. Make sure your main email account is selected, then click Remove. This step is important because it disconnects the shared mailbox from your Outlook without deleting the mailbox itself. Step 4. When a pop-up window appears, click OK to confirm the change, then restart Outlook. This refreshes the settings and ensures the shared mailbox is completely removed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Outlook tutorials.